Hi, ako si Annabelle. Based on my personal experiences about mother tongue based multilingual education. In terms of native language, Cebuano or Bisaya is my first language, which I learned from my parents and older siblings. According to my mother, I became fluent in speaking Bisaya when I was 3 kasi nga madaldal ako, tanong ng tanong, kaya madaling matutong magsalita kahit ano language namin. And in terms of bilingualism, I learned Tagalog, I think when I was 6. Magaling na akong mag-Tagalog dahil yun, we watch teleseries every night, and then we use Tagalog while playing with my friends. Naalala ko dati, mga year 1997, 1998, yung gano'n na mga year. Pag maglalaro kami, ayan, magtatagalog kami, dun nga, na-impluwensya sa TV. Magaling na kami magtagalog. Magaling na ako magtagalog sa edad na yon. Kasi naalala ko pa, ayan, maglaro kami ng bahay-bahayan. Ako yung anak-anakan nila dahil ako yung maliit. Pero ngayon, lahat sila may mga asawa at mga anak na. Ako naman yung wala pang asawa at anak. Kaya nakakatawa, no? Maalala yung sa childhood, mga childhood memories. And in terms of second language, I can speak English, but I'm not sure. I'm not fluent. I'm not sure. Sometimes my grammar is incorrect. Yeah, I'm sure my grammar is incorrect, no? But, when I speak to foreign people, kahit yung mga previous mga boss ko, yung mga amo ko, ayan, when I speak English to them, it's not structured properly. I mean, parang mali yung grammar kasi sila din mismo, pag yung sentence mo is in grammar, they did not understand it very well, Kaya yun nga, pag yung English mo putol-putol, yan, like, ayun, pag interact ako sa kanila, mas madali nilang maintindihan. Yun din nga, kasi English din yung second language nila. Kaya they are not fluent English. Hindi naman lahat, no? Based lang sa sa experience ko. Na yung mga amo ko, ayun, hindi din sila magaling mag-English. Kaya just like me, yung my second language is English, I can speak English, but yun nga sa sinabi ko. Sometimes, I think hindi naman ako yung fluent talaga sa English. My, English sentence, I am sure some are, the grammar is incorrect. And in terms of multilingualism, yeah, I think, I can speak, a few Cantonese and Arabic, but only the numbers. Yeah. Sa Arabic, I know the numbers of the Arabic numbers, like واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة عشرة, like 1 up to 10. And in Cantonese, it's yat I sam say lok chat pa gao sap. Yeah, 1 up to 10 also, because that's what that's what only I learned from the children that I took good care of, before. Yeah. About in terms of multilingualism, I'm not really good. Hindi ako magaling dun. Wala akong mga ibang language na nalalaman. Yung mga konti lang natutunan natin na sa social media. Kasi, yun lang po. And in terms of I think the language of instruction. Yes, the language of instruction. Yeah. When I was in grade 1, I can remember in year 1995. My grade 1 teacher, she is older teacher, so she communicates and taught us in our mother tongue language. Even when in science, in mathematics, and literature, at songs. Tinuturoan niya kami kahit science or English pa yun, pero pag intindi na niya, yan, pag nag-discuss siya, Bisaya yung ginagamit. Ito yung sa mga stories, sa GMRC, yan, mga Bisaya, mother tongue namin yan. Ito yung mga kanta, ang daming songs na mga totoo namin songs at saka sayaw na in our mother tongue. Okay? And that's all. Thank you. Mora na ako'y kasulti. Thank you.